So with over 160 gigabytes of footage, I've managed to squeeze out another little video. So in this video, these are just kind of like the little bits which I haven't added in to the previous two. Right, gives you an idea. Right, we are Gory. We are there, right next to Royal Jersey Golf Club, which is just over there. We're going to make our way into St Helier, and then we've got to try and figure a bus to get us over. We were there yesterday. So we need to go a bit further around. I want to get over there. And there's the airport just there, so that's the reason why I can't fly my drone, is because we're so near to the airport. So literally on the flight path, you can't fly it 5 kilometers that way, or a kilometer that way. So that's the task today. Any minute now, the bus should be coming around the corner. There you go, Marge, sort that one out. Morning. Morning. How you doing?
Not bad.
Well done. Got a bus to ourselves. You wait until we get into St Helier, there'll be a horde of people waiting to get on the other bus. Missed the bus earlier, so we got about a half an hour wait. So we thought we'd pop in town. The bus station is just outside the town centre, St Helier. And here we are. Thought we'd just go and buy a few little souvenirs, things to bring back for the kids, grandchildren, that kind of thing. So yeah, we've got a bit of time to spend, and we're going to jump on the next bus, which is about 25 minutes, which should hopefully take us to where we want to go. You probably can't see it, but there's an old World War II bunker up there, set into the mountainside. I can see if I can take a photograph of it and expand it up somewhat. Try and use that in my video.
People at the top there.
Yeah. That's the Second World War, probably a German defence bunker, I expect. House behind me over there, the white one, you can't see it very well because of the lens. Anyway, that house over there used to belong to racing driver Nigel Mansell. Apparently he sold it for about £11 million, which is probably small change for him. and directly across from the harbour, okay, we just come from the harbour, is Liberation Square. I was here earlier, a few days ago, and then opposite Liberation Square, Pomme d'Or Hotel. That's where the Germans had their headquarters in Jersey. There you go. A little bit of history for those people who don't know about it, and for those people who can't get here, I'll give you a bit of history. Right, the wife has bought a Jersey mug.
Jersey cow.
Jersey and a Jersey cow. Another one to go on the... Yeah, okay, it's a magnet, isn't it? I'm not sure if it's dishwasher proof, to be honest, but I would say probably not. Oh, look at that. These mugs here,
yes.
Where do you sell them?
No. We used to, but it's out of stock at the moment. We don't have any.
Ah, okay. What a shame. Oh, it's going all over the plate. We've got pie, chips and peas and the gravy. Eat your heart out, Aid Larson.
Bubblegum one and one cherry in that.
Yeah, you could have done. Can I try the rum and raisin, please? Yeah. Cheers, thank you. Very nice too. Wow, lovely.
I do need another one.
There's the wifey. Anyway, we've had a fantastic day here at St. Brilliards. I can't pronounce it very well, but yeah, it's really, really nice. Absolute fantastic. Great food, nice atmosphere, and what a fantastic beach and nice people. Round the corner. The wife's lost. Hello. I'm around here, my dear. Anyway, here we go. Got some flamingos down here. Chilean flamingo. Did you know a flamingo lays a single chalky white egg on a mud mound? I knew that. Chilean, yeah. There we go, he was on This Is Your Life, and there's Eamon Andrews on the right, Gerald Durrell on the left. What year would that have been then? 1983, it says down there. After Zoo Fall.
Doesn't say what zoo.
No,
just says
Jersey Evening Post. Oh, whether that's here or not, I don't know.
I remember seeing something on television.
Yeah, I did, I saw that on the internet. There you go, that's Gerald as a boy, 1920s I think. That's him growing up, and that's him as an older gentleman. Passed away back in 1995, and this is his place which he's created, this whole zoo. Yeah, it's a good place. And that's obviously on Corfu there, I guess. Yeah. So this is like a little museum which they've got just inside the zoo itself. Okay, right, time for a cup of tea, I think, so. Nice cup of tea. There we go. Right, time for our 11s mid-morning break. We've got a couple of lattes and a nice cookie as well. Just something else which I spotted here. Looks like some kind of an anti-aircraft kind of a gun. Yeah, anti-aircraft found buried in the field at Fliquet, 1971. Probably holds about maybe 30 or 40 rounds, perhaps more than that, perhaps less. There we go, just gives you an idea. Some holes in it, the marks could be shrapnel. Yeah, so that was buried and found in a field and restored. Here's a couple of propellers here, shot down by the Germans. A bit of information: propellers from a downed Douglas C-47 Skytrain. There, they shot it down with the thing we saw the gun we saw outside on 30th of October 1944. United States Army Air Force Douglas C-47 Skytrain transport aeroplane suffered a navigational problem while returning from France to Britain and wandered over Jersey. Although the aircraft's lights were switched on and it was flying around in circles, a recognized sign that it was in distress. It was fired on by German anti-aircraft guns and crashed into the sea at Bewley Bay in the northeast of the island. Okay, right, so this one's go. Right, so it looks like just one person escaped and all the rest of them unfortunately perished.